address. Welcome to our in-depth product training to enhance your knowledge para mas may confidence po tayo at mas maraming armas kung paano po natin share ang ating product. Our amazing breakthrough product here at Golden Lifestyle International. And yours truly, I'm Ingrid Chua Santos. I'm a registered nurse in profession and one of the business development manager at medical representative po ng Golden Lifestyle International. So good news, we are the exclusive distributor of Oxy Golden. And we really need to be proud about this because imagine a product that was not just created, but then it took 10 to 15 years of research study bago po ito na-launch sa market. Inaral, sinuri at validated po ng science. Manufactured by a group of company in Taiwan, like the Taipei Medical University, National University Institute and Science Technology, Agricultural Technology Research Institute. This group of companies, including Kunbao Gene Technology, produces mga medical equipments, medical supplies to help improve the wellness of every individual. And also Oxy Imperial that also produces health products not only within the whole of Taiwan, but also internationally. Now, Oxy Golden po is really a breakthrough or let's say 10 to 20 years advanced breakthrough product na kung saan marami pa rin po ang hindi nakakaalam paano siniksik po ang oxygen sa molecules ng water, okay? And we're so privileged to have this product that we can share in the whole of Philippines at sa mga kamag-anak natin maging sa labas ng bansa. Pero here, of course, we're operating legally not only in Taiwan and patented po yung ating produkto sa Taiwan, China, and even Japan. So we are second DTI registered and proud to say the first ever drinking water with dissolved oxygen approved by FDA. Ngayon, ano nga bang Oxy Golden? Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong, tubig nga lang ba to? But I just would like to share with you that Oxy Golden drinking water is not a vitamin, not a mineral, hindi ito antioxidant. Hindi rin po ito juice blend, essential oil, or alkaline water. Imagine that this product goes beyond regular natural supplements because it impacts your health down to the cellular level. And we'll just share with you what does it do to the body and why is it so important na dapat talaga makainom lahat ng tao, no? Regardless of age, kahit anong edad nyo, estado ng buhay nyo, no? Any living cells, the product is really essential to life. Now, the body has its innate capacity to really heal itself. Ganyan po dinesign ang katawan natin. May kakayanan talagang pagalingin ang sarili niya. No? And with the creation that was made for every human bodies, we're composed of different parts. Meron tayong system, like your circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, okay, musculoskeletal system. And of course, from the system, may organs yan. No, like your heart, kidneys, liver, lungs, brain. And down to the organs, we have the tissue, yung pinakalaman ng mga organs natin. But if you will check and sisilipin po natin sa microscope, ang pinakamaliit na parte po ng katawan ng tao ay tinatawag na cells. Okay? Or cellula. Okay? Gaano karami ba ang cells natin inside out? Kung ito'y bibilangin, approximately 30 trillion human cells. Ganyan po karami. 30 trillions like hair cells, okay, skin cells, blood cells, bone cells, eye cells, liver cells, heart cells. So again, cells po lahat yan. Pero did you know that our cells talk? Nag-uusap-usap din ang mga cells. They communicate. Ang mga cells po natin ay parang may sariling network, channel of network, na kung saan kailangan niyang gawin at trabahuhin yung function niya sa tulong ng tinatawag po nating mitochondria. Kung hihimayin po ang ating cell, I would like to highlight only one. part of your cell, which is mitochondria. Ano ba ang kahalagahan ng mitochondria? Ito po ang nagbibigay ng energy sa lahat ng 79 organs. Dahilan kung bakit po natin nagagalaw ang ating mga daliri, kung bakit ang ating liver nagfi-filter ng lahat ng inyong kinakain. Ang puso, tumitibok, nagpapump ng dugo. 24/7, kahit ikaw pikit ka na, natutulog ka na, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagtibok ng puso nyo. It provides the energy. But more than that, here are the major functions of our mitochondria. It's responsible for cellular respiration, cellular energy production. Kaya, may kakayanan na umandar ang ating cells. Calcium homeostasis, ninonormalize din niya. Okay, it puts balance to the minerals and elements that's necessary to make your cell function. It promotes cell growth and multiplication and responsible for cell death. Kapag ka may cells po tayo na nasisira, kailangan umabot po ito sa complete cell death. In medical term, ang tawag dyan ay apoptosis. Dahil kapag ang mga damaged cells ay hindi tuluyang umabot sa death point nila para ma-eradicate, matanggal sa ating katawan, ito na yung namumuong abnormal cells or nadadiagnose na cancer cells. Kaya may kakayanan talaga ang cells natin na patayin na rin yung sarili niya pag wala na siyang silbi, pag sira na siya. It also generate oxidative radicals. Okay? Kaya niyang kontrahin yung mga toxins, free radicals. It supports your nervous system function, heat production, organ metabolism, and synthesize biomolecules. Meaning, kung ano man ang molecules na napapasok sa katawan natin, okay, it will synthesize it, metabolize it, utilize it. At the end of the day, napakaliit lang na parte yan ng cell natin, pero napakahalaga ng function niya. Pero ano ang nagbibigay energy para mag-function ng tama talaga ang mitochondria natin? Okay? Sasagutin ko na, hindi na natin patatagulin. Sa tulong din po ito ng oxygen. Alright, but before I dive into that, I would like to share with you ano yung free radicals na binanggit ko kanina. Ang free radicals po ay unstable atoms na sumisira at nagkukos ng lahat ng klasing sakit sa ating pangangatawan kasi sinisira nga po yung ating cells. Sa panahon po natin ngayon, kahit gusto nating kumain ng mga sariwang prutas at gulay, pero sorry to say, hindi na po sariwa ito. Punong-puno na po ito ng mga chemicals from pesticides, herbicides, and even fertilizer na artificial na rin because our food is already adulterated. Imagine maging mga meat like chicken, beef, or even fishes. Ano po bang pinapakain dyan, no? Or ini-inject dyan? Antibiotics, hormones, or feeds. Again, processed na. Hindi na natural or organic. Not unless kayo pong magtanim ng sarili ninyong mga gulay-gulay at prutas. Makakasigurado nga kayong organic to. Even if you want the best quality of water, our water is already um, filled with a lot of impurities. Okay? Purified man yan, distilled man siya, mineral or alkaline, saan ba nanggagaling yung mga tubig na iniinom natin or nabibili sa mga bottled water? Okay, sa mga bote in your groceries and stores. Di ba ito rin yung pinanggalingan ng pinangligo nyo, pinangsipilyo nyo, na naiipon sa drainage, nako-collect sa dam. Pag na-collect po ito sa dam, dumadaan na ngayon to sa reverse osmosis. Pero kailangan patayin lahat ng mga bakterya para maging malinis ulit at mainom ng tao sa paglagay ng chlorine. Imagine yung reverse osmosis, dadaan sa matinding filtration, pero eventually, anong nangyayari? Nawawala lahat ng mga hindi lang mga chemicals or mga impurities pero pati yung mga minerals. So, zero minerals na yung tubig natin at the same time, chlorinated pa. So, it's already acidic, no? Kaya kahit anong dami natin ng inom ng tubig, Minsan, kahit na naka isang, dalawa, 3 litro ka na, sinisipon ka, hindi naman agad nare-relieve, di po ba? Dahil hindi na talaga safe. Not even air. We wanted the best quality of air. Sadly, pollution is everywhere. No, I was asked by a client, ma'am, what if instead of taking the product, pupunta na lang sa forest para lumanghap ng fresh na air or sa tawag nito, or uminom ng tubig sa mga sapa. Ang tanong ko ba sa inyo, how sure are you na malinis pa sa kahit saang polusyon ang mga forest at waters natin? Alam niyo po ba na even the sea, no, yung mga ocean waters natin, it's filled with mercury, heavy metals, and a lot of contaminants. Kaya hindi na talaga siya ganyan ka-safe. The air we breathe, yes, you may go to the forest, pero at the end of the day, how sure that it's 100% clean? Eh kung halos 20% na lang po ang oxygen na nasa atmosphere natin, and in the coming years, patuloy po ang pag-decline dahil nasisira na nga yung ozone layer. As a result, what's happening? We're experiencing climate change, right? Drastic changes that's happening not only with our environment, atmosphere, and weather, pero maging sa kapaligiran natin. Apektado na. Now, sadly, if you even practice a unhealthy lifestyle, like not having enough sleep, okay, exposed to uncontrolled stress, or not being able to cope up with stress, can even damage your health. And kung meron po sa inyo na may mga bisyo pa, taking in alcohol or smoking cigarettes, nicotine and alcohol are not natural elements. Chemicals pa rin po ito. Kaya pagpatuloy ninyong ipinapasok at nilalagay sa katawan ninyo, good luck. Talagang pasira ng pasira lahat ng mga cells ninyo. Especially the liver cells, kidney cells, kasi yun nga po yung sumasala ng kinakain at mga iniinom natin. Now, here's a fact. If you take one stick of cigarette, it's equivalent to 1,000 free radicals. Ngayon, if you know someone who smokes 3 sticks a day, 5 sticks of cigarettes a day, times 1,000 po yan. Ganon karami yung free radicals na nilalagay mo sa inyong katawan at sumisira po at linalason lalo yung mga cells natin. Kaya nawawala yung kakayanan nito na mag-function at pagalingin ang sarili niya. Lahat po tayo exposed rin sa radiation, okay? Hindi lang po yung mga foods na mina-microwave. But then, if 24/7, katabi pa natin sa kama yung ating mga cellphone tendency, yes, little by little, our cells are dying faster than the usual normal pace. And when we have, or when we are exposed to too much free radicals, what happens? Eventually, our cells will really get damaged. And good news po, dito sa Golden Lifestyle International, meron tayong tinatawag na free radical test. Okay? Or in other words, in other layman's term, it's also known as oxidative stress test. Para saan po ang free radical test? Ang free radical test natin ay nakakatulong para sa early detection ng kahit anong karamdaman sa pangangatawan natin. Yung nakikita sa panglabas, kung hindi sa pangloob lang. Health assessment po ito para at an early stage, alam nyo na kung ano po ang status. May line po kayo. The condition ng cells ninyo, kung marami nga bang nasisira or healthy pa ba kayo. Guide choices. Siyempre, kung may awareness, mas magiging conscious dapat tayo sa tamang pagkain, pagbalance ng lifestyle, pahinga, at exercise. It also can monitor efficacy if your therapies, your treatments, your medications, or your health management is really working for you or not. Risk management and aging insights. So, dito po madidetermine yung mga byproducts ng free radicals na sumisira sa cells. And when we say byproduct, ito na yung end product ng mga nasira at namatay na cells. Ang tawag po sa medical term nito ay MDA or malondialdehyde. Now, a high level of MDA may result to high oxidative stress. Kapag mataas ang oxidative stress po ng tao, at nagiging chronic at matagalan po ito. Ito na ang nagiging sanhi ng mga kondisyon at mga sakit tulad ng cardiovascular diseases, cancer, mga neurological diseases, diabetes, and aging. So, this is really essential po na magkaroon po kayo ng early detection. Sabi nga natin, prevention is always better than cure, di po ba? Kaya po, this test can really give you not only more awareness, pero maganda po itong monitoring. So, dapat po every 3 to 6 months, nagpapamonitor po kayo ng oxidative stress level ninyo para iwas na tayo sa mga malulubhang sakit. Kaya po, very essential po na mag-undergo ng free radical test. You get your free voucher sa lahat ng advocates po na nandito ngayon. Ayan, gusto ko pong makita sino po sa inyo ang nagpa-free radical test na. Can you please give me a thumbs up yung mga nagpa-free radical test? Wow, thank you Ma'am Judith for the thumbs up. Ayan, si Ma'am Elaine nagpa-free radical test na. Thank you. Ayan, pati si Ma'am Josephine, no? Very good. Ayan, so kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapagpa-free radical test, kailangan na po ninyong maranasan to at magpa-test na kayo. Ang bonus po dito sa ating company with our membership, no? Inclusive na yung free radical test. Ayan. Chop-chop ba? Akala ko chop-chop. Okay, si Chona. Ma'am, nagre-request ng uh, recording later. Sure, we will send that. And true enough, okay, I'll go back now to my presentation. True enough, when you undergo your free radical testing, then this is really a very good aid kasi tayo mismo as advocates, health advocates, kailangan healthy po tayo. Kasi mahirap namang mag-share ng produkto para sa mga kliyente ninyo kung kayo mismo hindi kayo resulta ng produkto, di po ba? That's why using urine sample lang, ayan, dyan na madidetect. Ma'am, bakit urine? Bakit hindi sa dugo? Well, ang toxins ng katawan natin ay lumalabas sa ihi, dumi at pawis. So, isa ito sa pinakamabilis na paraan matest. And tayo lang po ang may machine nito, no? Wala pa po sa mga big institutions and hospitals. Kaya po, we're really blessed to have this test done para sa atin. Ngayon, gaano kahalaga ang tubig at oxygen? Nako, kung tatanungin niyo ako, kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? It really is essential to life. That's the reason why the Lord God provided these basic elements for man to survive. Not only man, even animals and any living cells on earth. Pero, bakit nga ba talaga oxygen and water ay napaka-essential? O sige, we'll dive into that a little bit more. Water po, ang tubig, alam naman po natin, okay, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Kaya pag nag-share tayo ng product, at madalas nating sinasabi, oxygenated water yung product ko, ang dami pong tanong, lalo na kung maalam po sa science, yung kausap nyo, ang tanong niyan, eh di ba may oxygen na ang water? Medyo mapapa-explain ka pa ngayon ng marami. Pero what really is our product? Ang trademark or siguro masasabi kong classification natin sa market, oral oxygen therapy po ito. Okay? Dahil sa siksik na dami ng oxygen. Pero going back to water in its basic elements, okay, it actually covers a bigger portion of the Earth's surface. And with us humans, did you know that our body is composed of 70% water? Pero hindi lang po, that's in general. But when we talk about each organ of your body, may certain percentage na linalaman ng water ang ating mga organs. At ang organs na may pinakamaraming content of water molecules ay ang brain. Okay? Ayan. Maging yung kidneys po natin. So, ibig sabihin, ganyan dapat kasagana yung tubig sa brain? Yes. Kaya nga, di ba kapag hindi ka nakainom ng tubig for the day, headache, sumasakit or kumikirot yung ulo nyo, so that means kulang ng water, no? Kasi hindi po pwedeng nawawalan or nadidehydrate ang cells ninyo dahil na nahihirapang mag-function ng tama. Pero ang tanong, gaano po ba karami ang inom nyo ng tubig? How much water do you drink in a day? When we are losing this much,
Pag nakakaano dyan, ano.
okay? Ayan, gaano karami po ang nawawalang tubig sa katawan natin araw-araw. Imagine sa pag-ihi po ninyo, nawawalan po ng 1.5 liters of water ang kidneys. Sa pag pinagpapawisan, nasa 0.5 liters lost water from your skin. And approximately 0.3 liters of water is lost sa colon kapag dumudumi tayo. And 0.2 liters ang nawawala sa lungs kapag humihinga. Actually, whenever we exhale or breathe out, subukan yung kumuha ng salamin or kahit anong glass. Pag huminga ka, anong mangyayari? Nagkaka-moist, tama? That moisture is water. So we are exhaling water. Okay? To humidify yung ating nasal cavity para hindi manuyo. And that's the reason why when you add up all of this approximate water loss in our body, kaano karami po ang nawawala. So if you will compute 1.5 plus 0.5 plus zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.2, that's a total of 2.5. Tama po ba? 2.5 liters a day. So, hindi rin pala enough, ma'am, yung 2 liters of water a day. Depende rin talaga yan sa timbang po ninyo. No? For every 100 kilograms, you'll need at least 1 liter. So, if you're, no. For every 100 kilograms or sabi nga, for every 20 kilos, you'll need at least 1 liter. Ayan. So, kung 40 kilos kayo, 60 kilos, ayan. So, you need to drink approximately 1 liter for every 20 kilos. Okay? So, what is caffeine and sugar? Sino po sa inyo yung paggising sa umaga ang inom kaagad kape? Hindi muna magtutubig. Alright, akala natin ang coffee ay talagang pang-replenish ng tubig natin sa katawan. Pero mali. Lalo na kung 3-in-1 po ang inom nyo. Mataas pa sa sugar, processed yon. Okay, okay lang kung brewed coffee. But again, all kinds of coffee has this um, element that's called caffeine. And did you know that caffeine, especially sugar, is works like it sucks out the water from our cells, no? Kaya po pag umiinom ng kape, anong nangyayari? Di ba ihi kayo ng ihi mayat maya? And when we urinate or excrete more water from our body, dumadaan po sa tinatawag na drought management yung ating cells. Ma'am, ano ang drought management? Siyempre, magko-compensate ngayon ang mga cells at organs natin kung saan nagkukulangan siya ng tubig. It will release this hormone called histamine. And histamine also works like a neurotransmitter. This molecule po ay maghahanap, magsa-search siya ngayon kung saan sa parte ng katawan ninyo may pinakamaraming tubig. Kukuha siya doon at ililipat niya. Kung kulang ng water sa brain, kukuha siya sa stomach lining or sa joints. And what happens kapag kumukuha ng water sa joints, our joints contains this fluid called synovial fluid, right? And our stomach has also this fluid, right? At the mucosal wall. Kaya kahit meron tayong hydrochloric acid, hindi at healthy ang ating ang gut lining, hindi naman talaga tatablan ng acid, no? Na hahapdi ka agad-agad kasi existing na yung hydrochloric acid dyan. Pero may water sa stomach lining which prevents it from getting burn from the acid as well. But what happens pag kulang na po ng acid yung ating joints, yung ating stomach lining, ito na'y humahapde at kumikirot, nagkaka-inflammation. And pag may kirot, may hapde, Anong iniisip natin? Pain relievers. Anong ginagawa pa ng iba? Nako, dadalhin agad sa doktor yung mga kirot-kirot at mga hapde ng tiyan or ng mga kasukasuan dahil iniisip natin may sakit ka na. But in reality, uhaw ka lang. Kulang ka lang ng tubig sa cells, maging sa joint cells mo at sa stomach lining. Di po ba ang pinakamaraming water sa organ natin is brain? So dahil sagana rin or mataas ang water volume natin sa brain, kapag po nagkukulangan ng water ang kidneys or ng ibang parte po ng katawan nyo, then nadideplete rin po yung tubig sa brain. Kaya nagkaka-headache, migraine, so that is what happens when you're going through drought management. Uhaw ka lang. Wala ka talagang sakit. So don't treat your body with medication. Kasi minsan tayo gusto natin instant relief. Tama? We end up using what's man-made. And what is man-made? Gamot, medicines coming from chemicals. Why don't we resort to what God has made, which is again the basic element na water? Pero how much water do we need? Ayan, 8 glasses for every 100 pounds, 4 glasses for every 50 pounds. Pero again, sabi ko nga po, the water that we drink is not safe anymore kasi karamihan acidic na rin po siya. Tama po ba? That's why we really have a good solution for that. Now, what is oxygen? Ang oxygen naman po, colorless, odorless, tasteless, gas in its form. Imagine all living organisms needs oxygen and 95% of our body contains oxygen. Pero pagka
Maganda yun.
nagkukulangan na po ng oxygen ang ating katawan, tayo po ay nakakaranas ng tinatawag na hypoxia. Ang hypoxia po is the presence of low oxygen levels in your body. Anong sintomas pag may hypoxia ka? Shortness of breath. Konting akyat mo lang ng hagdan, kinakapos ka na ng hininga. Bluish tint ng skin, lips and nails. Maginaw lang at lumamig lang ang kwarto dahil naka-aircon or nasa labas ka pag ulan, nangingitim yung inyong mga daliri, no? Nagiging bluish color. That means kulang ka ng oxygen. May hypoxia ka. Extreme fatigue, naglinis ka lang pagkatapos mong maglaba. Sobrang nanlalambot ka na, nahihilo ka sa pagod, kulang ka ng oxygen. Severe headaches, coughing, wheezing, increased pulse rate, and confusion is again hypoxia. The presence of the lack of oxygen. Kaya po yung mga taong mangangalimot, makalimutin, no? Or mga nagkakademensya, Alzheimer's, kulang na kulang ng oxygen, especially ang brain cells. Kasi po pagkain ng brain cells natin, oxygen. That's the reason why modern medicine uses oxygen therapies because they found out that that oxygen in its own self is essential not only to life but also to energize your mitochondria to function para po bumalik yung kakayanan ng mga cells natin na mag-repair at mag-regenerate. I will share with you some examples of oxygen therapies available right now in hospitals, clinics, and ginagawa ng ibang doctors. Now, before our product was introduced in the market, years ago, there was this called nano bubble technology, and some companies uses machine to infuse oxygen para idagdag pa sa tubig na meron natin. But unfortunately, this nanobubble technology has bigger molecules. Kaya less ang oxygen concentration niya, hindi pa stable at mabilis mawala ang bisa. Kaya pagkabuga po or pagka na-infuse na sa water, kailangan inumin ka agad. Hindi po pwedeng patagalin. Pag nasobrahan ka nito dahil malalaki ang molecules niya, it can cause gastric irritation. Another kind of oxygen therapy in the market is known as
Hyperbaric oxygen therapy means the delivery of 100%
hyperbaric
pure
oxygen
oxygen to
therapy.
the body in a special enclosed chamber called a hyperbaric chamber, similar to the one you see on screen, at levels 2 to 3 times greater than the pressure of air at.
All right, hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Not only in hospitals, it's already available on several clinics, even promoted already on mga Facebook and mga TikTok reels. I can see that it's really being used not only to prevent fatigue, but to enhance memory function and also to help lengthen the lifespan of stem cells. In St. Luke's po, mas mahal talaga to kasi it takes several sessions for you to go through this kind of therapy para ma-achieve yung desired result. And hyperbaric oxygen therapy po ay again, mas kumukonsumo ng oras, panahon, kasi hindi kakayanin ng isang session. You'll need multiple sessions. Plus, it's more costly. Okay? So, yung mga may kaya lang, karamihan, ang nakakapagpa-hyperbaric oxygen. Did you know even athletes, ginagamit na po ang hyperbaric oxygen therapy? Like, mga sikat na basketball players or yung mga boxing athletes. The reason why mas mahaba ang stamina nila na kahit minsan bugbog na, no, hindi ka agad napapagod dahil mas mabilis ang regeneration ng muscle strength and stamina. Okay? And another kind of oxygen therapy that's being used right now, available also to some doctors and clinics, is called ozone therapy. Ozone therapy po is the use of collecting blood from your body. Mas invasive dahil talagang may matutusok ka, no? Using an IV cannula, and eventually the blood collected po ay hahaluan ng three oxygen molecules na tinatawag na ozone or O3. Ang oxygen po kasi ay nakakatulong na linisin yung dugo natin. It will now cleanse the blood to remove whatever heavy metals, toxins, bacteria, or viruses existing in your blood. At yung nalinis na dugong yan ay ibabalik po sa inyong katawan. So this is more invasive and it takes multiple sessions as well. Kaya lang, may kamahalan pa rin po, no? For every session, it will cost you 5 to 10,000 pesos per session. So, depende na yan sa clinic kung saan po kayo nagpapa-ozone therapy. Kaya po, ito talaga ay na-prove na. And you can even search, no, Otto Warburg, who has received a Nobel Prize discovering how oxygen can really impact the human life by helping repair and regenerate cells, as well as the prevention of cancer cells. And good news, with our Oxy Golden product, we have our oral oxygen therapy. Can you please type at the chat box oral oxygen therapy or OOT? Sige nga po, pakitype nga po. OOT sa ating chat box. Thank you, Sir Urgen. OOT, yan po ang ating product. Tama, Ma'am Salve. Ano po, pag tinanong kayo, Ma'am Elizabeth, ano ang product mo? Ito yung aking oral oxygen therapy or OOT. Hindi mo pa ba nabalitaan to? Bagong-bago sa pandinig nila at talagang makikurious lalo yan. Yes, Ma'am Vivian. Thank you for typing OOT. All right. So that's our unique product which is available in the market. It's our mobile hyperbaric, no? Or oral oxygen therapy. Ngayon, anong naitutulong nito? It will protect, detect, repair, and regenerate the trillions of cells ng katawan natin. Plus the fastest and safest way of receiving oxygen. Why fastest? Imagine pag inom nyo, ang absorption ng oxygen po, diretso na sa bloodstream, diretso sa brain cells, diretso po sa lahat ng cells na ng katawan natin. And sa sobrang bilis ng absorption po nito, kapag in-spray nyo sa inyong balat, pinatak nyo sa inyong mata, talagang diretso po siya talaga sa pinaka-core hanggang sa pinaka-DNA, no? Na nare-repair talaga lahat ng cells natin. Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Chona. Oral oxygen therapy. So when you display your product wherever you go, bring your bottle with you. Kasi bote pa lang natin. Very unique na. Tama po ba? Pangalawa, kapag ka tinanong, ano yan? Oral oxygen therapy. Napaka-unique. Ito yung oxygen na iniinom nyo na lang. Dahil sobrang siksik at dami ng oxygen nito. Gaano karami? 900 parts per million yan. Grabe. So, dapat excited rin kayong i-share dahil sa advancement ng technology ng ating oral oxygen therapy, napakaraming health benefits po talaga nito. And I'm sure hindi lang ako, kayong lahat na nandito ngayon, kung may first timer po pala ha, paki-acknowledge, i-type nyo sa chat box para ma-welcome natin. And sa lahat ng advocates na nakikinig sa atin, ang ating OOT ay nakakatulong ma-boost ang immune system. Alam nyo po ba, pag ininom nyo ang oral oxygen therapy natin, it will activate and bubuhayin niya lahat ng ating cells, white blood cells, which is our fighter cells, to prevent infection. Ang T cells, B cells, ito po yung mga immune cells natin. Kaya po, kung meron ng mga bacteria, virus, or mga germs na nag-invade sa ating katawan, ay talagang lalabanan lalo ng ating white blood cells yan. It regulates inflammatory response. When we talk about inflammatory response, lahat ng klasing yung pag ang cells po ay humihina, no, namamatay, na damage, nagkakaroon ng inflammation kasi hinawawala yung kakayanan na niyang mag-function. And this inflammation begins with what? Pain, swelling, okay, heat, and when there's inflammation in any parts of your body, maging sa skin, you can use oxygolden to prevent that because the oxygen ions will help your cells repair faster. It will boost oxygen content, obviously, kasi sagana at siksik sa oxygen ng ating oxygolden. Prevents hypoxia, na kung saan karamihan po sa ating populasyon ngayon ay nakakaranas na nun dahil nga kulang ng oxygen sa atmosphere and then congested na po ang mga um, cost of living or yung mga living conditions natin dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na kung hindi well ventilated ang inyong bahay or ang inyong kwarto. Kung 24/7 ka na naka-aircon, you're just breathing the same air, hindi na po fresh at kulang talagang oxygen ninyo. It works antibacterial, antiviral. Imagine, wala po talagang mabubuhay na bakterya sa mataas na oxygen environment. Okay, kaya po zero bacteria ang ating Oxy Golden Water. And yes, we have clinical studies that it was tested on all kinds of COVID virus strains. It can kill COVID viruses. Ayan. Wow, first timer, Sir Rodolfo. Rodolfo, thank you for joining us, sir, and for listening this afternoon. Ayan. And of course, it boosts glutathione and collagen production. Bakit niya nagagawa yun, ma'am? So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko na kailangan magpag-gluta drip or magpag-inject ng gluta. Kung ako sa inyo, instead of spending your money for mga gluta injections na mas invasive pa, and hindi nyo na alam saan galing yung mga sources of glutathione na mga um, um, artificial glutathione na yan. Why not boost your body with um, a high concentration of oxygen, drinking our OOT, and it will help detoxify your liver. Pag ang ating liver or atay po ay healthy, it will start producing its natural glutathione. Ang glutathione po ay ang pinaka-potent na antioxidant of all antioxidants. Kaya po kapag healthy ang liver, at mas marami ang production ng glutathione, yan po ang dahilan kung bakit pumupusyaw ang kutis ng mga users natin ng Oxygolden. No? Natural lightening ngayon ng complexion. And then yes, collagen production mas nagfo-firm. Nawawala yung sagging or double chin at yung maraming wrinkles po ay talagang unti-unti niyang nababanat. Bakit? Kasi nga, repair and regeneration of skin cells is faster compared from the usual kung kulang ng oxygen ang cells ninyo. It can delay the aging process of your trillions of cells inside out. Kaya talagang it promotes long life. Okay? Kaya po, exposed to so much toxins nowadays na hindi na natin kayang iwasan. Nakukuha natin sa pagkain, sa tubig at sa hangin. Importante, kailangan ng lahat ng tao ang oral oxygen therapy na ito. Dahil ito po yung produkto para sa mga walang sakit, ayaw magkasakit at sa mga may sakit. Kaya po excited talaga kaming i-share. Bakit? Dahil nga imbis na nagre-resort tayo or minsan akala natin solusyon na natin ang mga gamot at maintenance na kung saan chemicals man-made, simptomas lang po ang pinipigilan yan. Ang ginagawa lang po ng mga medicine natin or gamot natin ay linilipat lang po yung sakit nyo sa ibang organs. Okay? Pero ang root cause, yung cells na humihina, namamatay, napupundi na. Yun po yung hindi kayang ayusin ng mga gamot. And we now have the solution, the missing link to our body to again energize your cells, to function, to heal itself is already here with Golden Lifestyle International. Sa tulong po ni Dr. Tseng Shen Chun, the founder and our president of Kunbao Gene Technology. He studied and researched how to really encapsulate the product in the molecules of oxygen in this product, which is so minute. It perfectly matches the oxygen in our cells. Galing po sa Mount Puli ng spring water ang ating tubig at dyan po nakalocate yung water plant ng company natin, okay, where it's manufactured. Nasa pinakatuktok ng Mount Puli, above the mountain, which is 3,000 meters high above sea level. So that's where we get our Oxygolden water. And we are blessed with two amazing breakthrough products, Oxygolden 900 and Oxygolden Tonic. Anong difference ng dalawa? Here's a fact. Did you know po, nung na-launch ang Oxygolden 900 sa Taiwan, it was initially positioned as an energy drink. Hindi po ito kaagad na natuklasan na nakakatulong sa maraming kondisyon at mga sakit pa. Pinosisyon muna siya as energy drink. Pero nung nag-COVID at nagka-pandemic buong mundo, nagla-lockdown ang mga bansa, hindi po nag-lockdown ang Taiwan. Dahil ang mga umiinom ng Oxygolden 900 ay hindi kaagad tinatamaan ng COVID at yung mga nagkasakit ng COVID at na ipainom ng Oxygolden tonic at ng ating drinking water, lalong bumilis ang recovery nila. Imagine our Oxygolden 900 Plus, it's infused with 900 parts per million oxygen ions. And plus means it has the added trace minerals from the natural spring water of Mount Puli and normal pH siya that matches the normal pH of our blood. That's why it's our mobile hyperbaric oxygen. Now, anong difference nito po sa ibang tubig na nabibili natin sa mga groceries at drugstores? Ito po ay mineral, okay, kung compare natin sa mineral, alkaline, or hydrogenated water, ang mga tubig na ito ay meron lang below 10 parts per million oxygen ions. You heard me, below 10 parts per million lang. Very minimal ang oxygen ions niya. Pero yes, okay lang uminom pa rin yan. Kasi we really need lots of fluids in our water or increase our water intake para maiwasan na ma-dehydrate. But even if it's alkaline water, hydrogenated water, anong difference ma'am ng hydrogen water sa oxygenated water? Ang hydrogen po talaga ay maraming health benefits. But then when we talk about the most abundant molecule inside the body of the human, it's still oxygen. Ang hydrogen po ang most abundant molecule in the air or atmosphere. But when we talk about inside the body, it's oxygen po, not hydrogen, okay? Kaya po, having this unique product, which is the world's first highest concentration of oxygen ions, at ginamitan ng advanced technology na tinatawag na American Aerospace, talagang we are assured that the stability of our oxygen ions in Oxygolden 900 Plus can last up to 8 months. Meaning kapag binuksan po ninyo yung bottle, intact at hindi po sisingaw yung oxygen molecules na ito. And pwede siyang pakuluin, hindi mawawalan ng bisa, pwede rin pong palamigin at haluan ng inyong paboritong mga healthy vegetables or mga fruit juices. Lalo na sa mga babies, kung hirap pa inumin ang mga bata or mga infants ng gamot, pwede pong itimplahan ng kanilang milk formula itong Oxygolden Water para mas maging healthy at pagkasagana po ang oxygen ions nila. Grabe po, talagang nakikita namin at yung mga testimonies natin from simpleng fever, lagnat, talagang nawawala kasi nga po nabuboost yung immune cells nila to fight any infection. And ano naman po ang benefit kapag nag-Oxygolden Tonic po kayo? Oxygolden Tonic has 35,000 parts per million oxygen ions. And for every bottle of tonic, katumbas po ay 66 bottles of Oxygolden 900 plus. No? Ganyan po karami ang katumbas ng tonic natin pagdating sa Oxygolden 900. It's really highly concentrated with water and sea salt components. Yan lang po yung basic ingredients niya. Ma'am, ang sodium chloride, hindi ba ito yung kapareho ng nasa dextrose or suero? Yung kapag na-confine yung isang pasyente at dehydrated siya, dinedextrose ka agad? Yes, that's correct. Okay? The same molecules, sodium and chloride, but infused with 35,000 parts per million oxygen ions. Kaya it's more than the usual dextrose. Ngayon, yung Oxygolden Tonic natin, pwede rin pong i-inject diretso yan sa inyong mga ugat. Pero, wag na po kayong mag-alala na masasaktan pa. Kaya po yan merong built-in dropper. Pwede po ninyong ipatak sa mata, sa ilalim ng dila, pwede rin pong inumin. May kasamang measuring cup po yan na nasa 5 to 10 ml. You can drink kahit pautay-utay lang, 5 to 10 ml every day. I usually take 5 ml twice a day for prevention. And of course, ayokong magkasakit dahil paglabas mo ng bahay, pagtapak mo pa lang sa labas ng pinto, talagang puno na ng mga bacteria, viruses ang hangin at paligid natin, di po ba? So, imagine having this product po for every bottle of tonic. It can even produce 70 million stem cells into your body. And may mataas siyang ORP. Anong ORP? Ang ORP equivalent nito ay 850 MV. Okay? So, ORP is the oxidation reduction potential of a molecule or product na kung saan sa taas po ng electrons nito, that electron transfer capability, it can highly sanitize any environment, meaning it can really kill all kinds of organisms, especially mga viruses, bacteria, fungi, or parasites. Ganun po kaganda. As in, cleansing po talaga. No? And aerospace high-tech dissolved oxygen technology yung ginamit po sa product natin. Kung kaya't stable at tumatagal yung oxygen ions nito. In-encapsulate. So kung tatanungin nyo ako, ma'am, paano yung process ng encapsulation? Ang sagot ko sa inyo, secret. Alright? Yan ang trade secret ng company. Hindi natin pwedeng malaman ng detalye pa. Pero with my understanding, I believe that it's being processed for days. Okay? It will take at least 3 days or more to process and restructure the molecules into this water and encapsulate the oxygen ions. Pero I can assure you na yung dami ng oxygen ions, lalo na sa tonic natin, 35,000 parts per million, napaka-minute ng oxygen ions nito. Kaya perfect match siya sa tubig at oxygen na nasa loob ng cells natin. Kaya nga, the more you take it in, the better. Walang overdose at walang side effect. Anong effect lang ng oral oxygen therapy? It will detoxify your cells. Kaya yung ibang umiinom po nito, talagang ilalabas muna lahat ng dumi sa colon nila, no? Naki-cleansing talaga. Or kung meron na kayong matagal na ubo, sipon, plema na nakastuck sa lungs, linalabas naturally. And kung meron mang biglang na nagyawat after using the product, talagang dinidetox pati yung mga sebaceous glands and mga skin cells nyo. It repairs, regenerates, and provides cellular hydration. You know what? We have fluids extracellular and intracellular. The reason why, pag umiinom kayo ng tubig, ang bilis nyong ihi ng ihi, hindi na-absorb ng tama yung tubig na iniinom nyo. Natatapon lang siya kasi kulang ng oxygen ang cells. But with the help of OxyGolden, tutulungan niya ngayong i-transfer at ipasok sa loob ng cells natin yung water, yung tubig na iniinom natin, okay, with enough oxygen content will now reabsorb the water outside intracellularly. Kaya po, nare-rehydrate ang ating cells. So, when you hear of stem cell therapy, I would like to just point out this kind of therapy. Available also in the market. Alam natin pag sinabing stem cell therapy, ito po ay nakaka-afford lang, ang mga nakaka-afford lang nito ay mga artista, mga politicians, mga mayayaman. Pero I can assure you, dito po sa Golden Lifestyle International, hindi kailangang artista, politician, or mayaman ka. Okay? Kasi po, na-mention ko kanina, ang tonic natin can produce 70 million stem cells after drinking the product. Ano ang advantage nito compared from stem cell therapy that's available in the market? Stem cell therapy is the injection of live stem cells coming from either animal source or plant source. May mga plant source na rin na tinatawag. Like fetal sheep, okay, calves or deer. Actually, there are even mga aesthetic clinics nowadays using fetal stem cells. Hindi naman sinasabi sa inyo kung anong fetal source, fetus na tao ba o fetal animals ba. Mostly fetal or animal source po yan. But then I would just share with you, the cells from animals and plants are not, again, the perfect match for human cells. But yes, it will work. And then, second, ang mga stem cell therapy, organ specific lang po iyan. Okay? Meaning, kung anong organ lang na kailangan injection ng stem cell, yun lang po yung i-inject dyan. Kaya mahal, kasi nga po, yung pag-preserve ng buhay na stem cell at pag-extract po nito para ipasok sa kung saang parte ng katawan nyo, talagang medyo talagang hindi lang delicate, pero it uses technology that will make sure na that the treatment done to you is again effective. But at the end of the day, when we talk about effectivity, alam niyo po ba, hindi 100% ang absorption ng katawan natin when you are injected with any stem cell. Likewise, with oral stem cells that's available out in the market. Hindi rin po 100% yung absorption nito. No? Bakit ko nasabi yon? Kung ang kidney transplant nga, no? From human to human. Kidneys, pinalitan ka ng bagong kidneys, nagkaka-rejection pa rin ang katawan natin. Much more kung plant source ito or animal source. Nagkakaroon rin po ng certain rejection and it's not 100% absorbed. If you paid for 1.5 or 1.8 million para injectionan ka ng 50 million stem cells, at the end of the day, hindi naman 100% na 50 million ang naa-absorb ng ating katawan or organs. Unlike our oral oxygen therapy, when you take oxygolden, especially tonic, it absorbs directly into your cells and energizes the mitochondria. Kasi pagkain nga po ng mitochondria nyo ay oxygen para mag-produce ng cellular energy, magkaroon ng cellular respiration, makapag-repair, makapag-regenerate. Pag nangyari po yan, it will now activate the inactive stem cells of your body that can produce the 70 million stem cells. Mind you, the production of the 70 million stem cells is after taking the product, not before inducing it. And then it will also kill any kind of metabolic bad cells or other known as your cancer cells. That's the benefit of our oxygolden. Ganyan po, yan po yung somehow basic pathophysiology. Ano po? And how to take the product that's best on an empty stomach. Siyempre, mas maganda kung ibabad sa ilalim ng dila para na-absorb ng inyong bloodstream. Dahil maraming bukang capillaries. When we say capillaries, ito po yung napakaliliit na mga ugat na nakabuka or open dito underneath your tongue. And it's absorbed into your brain. So I advise those drinking tonic, please take more water. You need to increase your fluid intake kapag po nagtotonic kayo. Dahil highly concentrated ang tonic, kakailanganin po na ma-distribute ng mabilis yung concentrated oxygen ions into all your organs for proper and besides proper hydration, it can help immediately flush out the toxins. If you have clients experiencing healing reaction, I also advise drink more water. Okay? Kasi po, nadidetox ang cells, kaya po nagkakaroon ng adjustment tendency, nagkaka-symptoms or discomfort. Kasi walang ibang lalabasan ng toxin kung di sa ihi, dumi at sa pawis. Right? Don't use metal or ceramic. When I say ceramic, yung mga mugs, no, na gawa sa ceramic because it can react with the molecules of oxygen and reduce the potency of our product. Baka sabihin, ba't ganun? Tuwing iniinom ko yung Oxygolden, parang walang bisa. Dahil pag ginamitan po ng metal containers or mga metal spoon para inumin yung tonic or yung product, yes, it can reduce the potency. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng reaction. Now, the best time or the how long should you drink Oxygolden? I encourage you to drink it at least 3 to 6 months to see the desired result, especially kung meron po kayong mga malulubhang kondisyon na gustong solusyonan. Hindi po ito milagro. Pero to our surprise, natutulungang pabilisin yung regeneration and repair ng cells natin. Okay? Na nagkakaroon ng kakayanan ng ganyan yung katawan natin sa tulong ng oxygen. Pero hindi sa lahat ng tao yan. 15% may have experienced immediate results, but 85% might need more time, lalo na kung matagalan na po yung sakit. Because imagine it took years to damage your cells. Simula pagkabata nyo, kung anong lifestyle nyo, no, yun na po yung namana ninyo na lifestyle sa parents nyo. Kaya po yung tinatawag na mga hereditary illnesses. Totoo naman po talagang namamana natin ang damaged cells ng parents natin, ng lolo't lola natin. Nalilipat sa atin yan. Kasi yun yung DNA nila. But I would just like to remind you that it's similar to a gun, no? The hereditary illnesses loads the gun. But what pulls the trigger para pumutok yung barel is your lifestyle. So if you have very, very poor lifestyle, hindi kayo mindful sa diet, walang exercise, laging puyat, expect nyo talaga kung ano yung naging sakit ng magulang or mga lolo't lola ninyo, kung may cancer, diabetes, hypertension, yun at yun din ang makukuha ninyong sakit at kondisyon. So let's always give time because it takes 6 months for our cells to fully repair and regenerate. Meaning yung complete turnaround time niya. After drinking Oxygolden, some might experience the following. Huwag po kayong matatakot kung meron po kayong mga nagantong naranasan na mga discomfort. Okay? Because this is called body conditioning or improvement response. Dahil nag-a-adjust po ang katawan ninyo from a sick state into a normal state. Kaya po 3 to 6 months ang rini-require natin na pag-inom ng oral oxygen therapy. Therapy nga, hindi po ito gamot, hindi rin po ito magic. Okay? And because it's a therapy, our body cells, okay, or organ cells usually takes time to completely regenerate. Example, our gastric cells, it takes 7 days. Kung kayo may gastritis, may ulcer, inumin nyo yung Oxygolden at an average or a minimum of 7 days para talagang fully renewed yung repair and regeneration ng stomach cells. Skin cells, it takes 28 days to regenerate. No? Kaya after 1 month, pag consistent ang pag-inom ng Oxygolden, napapansin natin, no, pumupush siya ang kutis, gumaganda yung balat, blooming na, and then liver cells naman natin. 180 days ang complete renewal nito, while blood cells takes 120 days. So, let's give it time. Ang pag-inom po ay at least 3 to 6 months. Pero on some cases, we would also advise them 1 to 3 months nakikita na po yung desired result. Ano ang adjustment response? In Chinese medicine, it's called dizzy reactions. Pero basically, ito rin yung tinatawag nating healing reactions. Yan. Or healing crisis. Pero medyo negative yung word na crisis. Healing reaction na lang. Na-mention ko kanina, kung ano yung nakasanayan ng cells natin na environment, no? Na poor lifestyle, unhealthy diet, yun na yung naging conditioning niya. Ang cells po ay matatalino. Meron siyang tinatawag na immunity. Kapag hindi healthy yung condition, siya po'y nag-a-adjust dun sa condition na yan at nagkaka-immunity na dahil yun na yung nakakasanayan. Pero after 6 months, okay, na tuloy-tuloy lang po na unhealthy yung ating lifestyle, yung ating diet, yun na yung na-adapt niyang normal. But what happens if you drink Oxygolden na di-disrupt, sinashock natin yung cells natin from a sick state going to a healthier balance. Kaya po may tendency that we will experience some reactions. Ano naman yung mga common reactions? Yung kaninang nakita yung listahan? Okay, some might experience itchy skin. Pangangati po ng balat. Anong ibig sabihin kapag ganyan? Mataas ang blood sugar, merong problem sa kidneys, or liver, or gallbladder, parasitic diseases na kailangang i-detoxify na kung saan sa balat po ine-excrete ang toxins. And various pains. Bakit may kirot-kirot? Ba't nakakaranas ng pain yung client? Biglang sumakit yung ulo, biglang pumapdi yung tiyan, or parang may kumikirot sa kanyang likod. So again, because of the increased blood flow in your bloodstream and posibleng merong sclerosis, okay? Meaning paninigas ng mga ugat na unti-unting ina-adjust para bumalik yung elasticity ng ating mga ugat. And when we say atrophy, no? Ito yung parang may nagka-calcify, may mga nabubuong mga bara. At pag vertigo naman ang nararanasan nila, biglang nahilo, no? Pag inom ng Oxygolden water or tonic, That means meron kayong kondisyon na high blood pressure or mataas ang cholesterol sa dugo or posibleng merong plema na nakabara sa mga bronchials natin, no? Yung mga tubo ng ating lungs. And may mga bara sa gallbladder. Aphthous ulcer, yung pagsingaw, okay? Mga singaw na lumalabas sa bibig. That's a sign that there are blockage or poisons, toxins that's found in your stomach, your spleen, your kidneys, and other glands. That's still okay. Ituloy-tuloy lang po yung inom ng product, wag niyo pong titigilan. Others might experience dry mouth, frequent urination, or utot ng utot, excessive farting. That's because acidic ang katawan ninyo. And when losing weight, okay, minsan na yung pag-ihi hindi lang mabula, pero minsan yung dumi, okay, ay medyo may parang fats or greasy po siya kasi tinatanggal po talaga yung waste natin. If you experience or encounter tinnitus, tinnitus is ringing of the ear or palpitations, chest tightness. That's a sign na meron po kayong rhinitis, pharyngitis, tonsillitis, heart disease, and blood conditions that affects your circulation pero inaayos na ito unti-unti with the help of oxygen ions, repairing and regenerating the cells that's damaged and fighting infection. Yon, antok na antok. Pag inom po ng Oxygolden, talagang napipikit yung mata, parang ang hirap gumising. Alam niyo po ba, ang ating liver, ang ating organs, ay nagre-regenerate lang during a restful state. Meaning kapag tayo po itulog, kaya kung nasa tamang oras ang pagtulog natin, binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon na ma-recharge yung ating cells at ma-energize at mag-repair yung ating liver, yung ating kidneys, yung ating organs. Kaya po pag inaantok kayo, nag-work na yung product. Inaayos na kasi niya yung liver cells ninyo, no? That's the reason why you feel snoozed. Excessive eye mucus, biglang namula ang mata, humapdi ang mata nung pinatakan po ng tonic. That's a manifestation na may mga bara sa mga tear duct and mga microcirculation ng mga tiny blood vessels ninyo sa eyes ay dinidetox, dinideclog, and also your liver at ay inaayos po, no? Tinatanggalan ng toxins. Yon, wala pa naman tayong experience pero kung sakaling merong nag-complain na nagka-acne after spraying tonic or drinking Oxygolden, then mataas yung sebaceous fat po na kailangang tanggalin sa kanyang glands. Others experience, meron po kami, pag inom niya ng Oxygolden, sabi niya, hindi naman ako inuubo pero bakit ang dami kong linuwang plema? Parang napahalak ako at natakot ako kasi may mga plemang lumabas. Kasi nga, congested na yung bronchials, trachea ng lungs natin na hindi natin alam may mga nakatirang bakterya nandyan na kumakain ng tissues. So, linalabas natin, ine-expel, dinidetox lang po kayo. Pag meron naman pong nakaranas ng bleeding, na nagdugo yung ilong, ayan po yung mga factors which is the reason why nag-a-adjust lang po ang ating body, ang hemoglobin, ang ating system, ang ating mga blood vessels. Okay, kung may blood sa stool, you can screenshot what you see on your screen because these are corresponding factors kung bakit may mga reactions, healing reaction na ganito yung mga clients natin. Okay? Pero hindi lahat. Yung iba lang, no? And lalo na yung pagka merong dumudugo, bigla ang pag-ihi. Ibig sabihin, mayroong bato sa bato. May kidney stones, urethral stones, bladder stones na inilalabas, dinidetox or tinatanggal na sa urinary bladder po natin. Okay? Cloudy urine, that's a sign that dinidisinfect yung ating bladder. And kung color greenish naman yung ihi, yung gallbladder naman, yung apdo, ang dinidetox sa atin. Others might experience yung smelly urine, polyuria, madalas na pag-ihi, mataas ang uric acid nung nagpa-blood chem, no? Biglang tumaas ang uric acid or foamy urine. Again, dahil sa mga kondisyon na ito, pancreatitis, cystitis, kidney disease, diabetes, yung mga yan po ay dinidetox sa katawan nyo. Diarrhea, and akala natin nag-LBM na pag inom ng water. 100% this is non-toxic and it will never cause any bad side effects. Instead, it will detoxify your cells and it will help repair and regenerate your damaged cells. Kasi po, bago mag-repair ang cells natin, kailangan linisin muna. Di po ba? Parang pag nag-renovate tayo ng bahay, aalisin mo muna yung mga gamit, yung mga harang, mga dumi, at kalat para tuloy-tuloy yung pag-repair natin. So, similar to your cells, tatanggalin lahat ng lason, toxins, waste, and then i-repair na po siya. And that's the cause of this healing reaction or adjustment reaction. Others experience swelling of feet. This is a manifestation that there's a kidney disease, diabetes, bladder disease, heart disease, and all of these are being repaired eventually. So we don't really advise to stop the product. Continuously take the product because it's already helping your sick cells adjust into a healthier balance. Meron din po kaming nag-complain, Ma'am, after 1 month, nagtaas ang aking cholesterol, sugar at blood pressure. Bakit ganon? Pero kamusta pong nararamdaman niyo? Tinanong ko, ay, mas gumaan actually. Tsaka masigla, hindi ako agad napapagod. Okay. So, hintayin nyo lang po na ma-detox talaga kayo. Yun ang in-advise ko. Ituloy-tuloy nyo lang po. Take it at least 3 to 6 months kasi maraming mga damaged cells na rini-repair at dinidetoxify. Kaya po, inaayos pa po yung organs ninyo into a healthier state. Merong nawawalan ng gana sa pagkain, yung iba naman ay mas lumalakas ang gana sa pagkain kasi po binabalanse ang inyong metabolism. Those who are fat become thin, thin gain weight. So again, it's putting balance. And then too much reaction, don't be afraid for any recovery reaction. Okay? Because oxygolden is simply water and oxygen that will not cause any destruction with your cells. Instead, it repairs and regenerates. If majority of you did not experience any response, that's a sign that you're healthy. Or posibleng baka kulang lang ang pag-inom nyo pa, dagdagan nyo. No? So here is some laboratory tests done on COVID-2 SARS variants. And yes, oxygen ions will really repair and regenerate newer cells. Kaya po, yung natanim na COVID sa atin, kung kayo'y na-vaccinate or na-infect ng COVID before, it's deactivating the spike proteins. Spike proteins, ito yung nag-damage sa cells natin na kung saan itong mga taon na to, naglalabasan ang side effect ng vaccines. Okay? So, iwas po tayo. Kung ayaw niyong magkaroon ng mga side effect, it's best to drink Oxygolden every day. I've experienced that after my vaccination. Madalas po talagang kumikirot yung batok ko, no? At nararamdaman kong pumipintig, parang may pulso sa likod ng ulo ko. Lalo na kapag medyo napupuyat, napapagod. Kaya po ako kinabhan. And good thing, when I started drinking the product 2023 of December and up to present, wala na po akong ganong experience. Even if medyo naparami yung kain ko ng beef at alam kong minsan fatty yung foods na hindi ko maiwasan, but those symptoms are totally gone. And imagine yung rise ng mga cancer cases, autoimmune diseases, aneurysm, and even stroke na dumadami po sa panahon natin ngayon. Yan nga po yung nagiging side effect, okay, ng mga damaged cells sa katawan natin. And to prevent it, take your Oxygolden 900 plus and tonic. Definitely, there's zero endotoxicity. Endo means tissues. Zero cytotoxicity, hindi toxic sa cells. And genotoxicity, it's not toxic to your genes because it repairs and regenerates every single cell of your body, including your DNA. Now, to sum up, why do we need Oxy Golden Drinking Water and Tonic? It's one of a kind. Nag-iisa lang po yung ating produkto with the highest concentration of oxygen ions. Cutting edge because our technology is so advanced na wala pa pong nakakaalam at may alam kung paano ginagawa at napaprocess yung product na to. Massive ang demand because, again, it's highly consumable. And para sa lahat, mula tao, hayop hanggang halaman, every living cells needs water. Kaya po, para sa lahat talaga to. High impact dahil ang absorption nito down to the cellular level and validated by science, backed up with clinical studies, patented ang technology na walang makakakuha ng trade secret ng company. That's why having this amazing breakthrough product again gives you and me a big responsibility to open our mouths and let's be clear that we have a unique product that can help thousands and thousands of people. Now, help empower your body to heal itself with Oxy Golden. And thank you for sharing our golden mission, dear advocates. So let's give everyone a big clap and applause. Thank you for listening and for watching our in-depth product training. I hope marami po kayong natutunan this afternoon. Ano po? And I would like to go back to the questions we have. Ayan, over here. Okay, yes, that's right, Coach. Thank you, Coach Ronnie, for watching, and Ma'am Mercy. I appreciate you po for learning with us. Okay? And I'm sure mas na-equip na kayo. Kumbaga, hindi lang po armas ang dala nyo, no? Marami kayong bala na kaalaman na po pwede pong ibahagi sa inyong mga kaibigan, kakilala, at mga prospects na nasa labas dyan. Ayan, thank you, Sir Jerome. Okay, do you have any questions po? Pwede po bang ma-normalize ang na-stroke and how many months to cure? How much tonic to take? Ayan, si Jill Rose, nag-ask po siya. All right, so to answer your question, Jill Rose, tama, am I right if I pronounce the name Gil Rose or Jill Rose? Okay. In taking our Oxy Golden Tonic,
Delay Rose.
okay. Hello, ma'am. GLI Rose. Okay, ma'am Rose. Thank you, thank you. So,
Delay Rose.
to take
Ah,
our product, lalo na kung na-stroke, okay? Regardless kung few years ago na-stroke, matagal na, lagi ko pong sinasabi, give it at least 3 to 6 months na iinumin consistently kung willing po talaga na gumaling yung pasyente. Ngayon, na-stroke po ba siya? Paralyzed po ba? Or gaano po ano ang extent ng kanyang affectation or yung naging injury po sa kanya nung na-stroke?
paralyzed po. Ma'am.
Half body po ba?
Paralyzed po siya. Sa whole body.
Whole body. So bedridden po ba yung client?
Oo. Tapos meron din po akong patient na half body naman.
Oh, okay. May mga stroke patients po talaga kayo, ma'am. Okay. With regards to stroke patients, all right, I would advise,
Ma'am,
talagang importante na
meron po akong
mag-tonic.
question.
Yes, ma'am?
May,
Okay.
may question sa kidney. Kasi may plan na magpa-kidney transplant.
Mm.
Siguro baka malala daw siya.
Mhm.
So, pinapaano ko sa friend, baka makagapan. So, pwede pa kaya yun, ma'am, kung halimbawa, nakaschedule siya ng kidney transplant, ganon.
All right. Thank you for that
Pwede
question,
pa
Ma'am
bang
Rose.
mapigilan ng,
Opo.
no?
Ganito, ma'am. So, decision lagi po yan ng kliyente, no? Kapag na-explain po yung product and willing na mag-take ng alternative option ang pasyente bago pa siya maoperahan, then I would advise na inuman po ng tonic at least 20 ml 3 times a day. Dahil malaki na po yung damage.
Okay.
The reason why ina-advise na ng kidney transplant, kasi po talagang wala nang, halos hindi na nagpa-function yung kidneys, at kung dependent na lang po sa dialysis yung patient, definitely, um, kumbaga parang asap po ito, no, na kailangang agapan. And ang kidney cells
Three times
natin,
a day, ma'am.
yung 20 ml, opo. So, a bottle is like 2 to 3 days, 2 days and a half, mga 2 days approximately, no? Ay, wala mang 2 days, tama, 2, 4, 6. Oh yeah, mga 1 day and a half. Pero kung kaya naman po ng budget nila na uminom rin po yung pasyente ng 1 bottle a day, pwedeng-pwede rin po. But of course, we don't want naman na parang puwersahan sila. Nasa pasyente pa rin yan, nasa iinom pa rin yan, kung willing siya ng another alternative. And again, hindi siya makukuha ng 1 month lang. Ang kidney, sabi ko nga po, ang cellular repair or organ repair natin, it takes at least 6 months complete turnaround time. No? So if they are willing to use our products, then that's the right dosage. Tapos, kapag ka kidney problems, alam ko linilimit ng doctors yung pag-inom ng tubig. Tama? So kung
Yes.
limited lang siya sa 800 ml, kahit puros Oxygolden 900 na equivalent sa 800 ml na piniprescribe ng doctor, yung iinumin po ng pasyente. Kumbaga, yun na po yung kukomputin na fluid intake. Okay? Kasi for every bottle natin, this is 500 ml. Alright?
Okay,
Now, just
wait
in
lang.
case naman, nag-decide yung patient, gusto kong kidney transplant pa rin kasi naka-prepare na or nakaset na talaga sila. Gusto nila yung option ng medicine plus isabay na lang din itong inumin, wala po siyang kontra sa kahit anong therapy. Okay? Kahit na na-kidney transplant na po. It's okay. Kasi ang mga natatransplant naman, allowed naman talagang uminom ng tubig. And again, kung limited, then kukunin lang po sa sukat na rini-require. But this is 100% safe, non-toxic, safe sa babies, sa mga buntis, maging hindi mabuntis. Okay? Ayan, ang tonic is 100 ml. Thank you, Sir Jerome, for addressing. Yes, 100 ml po ang ating tonic na bottle. Pero sa taas ng concentration ng oxygen ions niya, pag nakakainom siya ng isang bote ng tonic a day, which we have advocates who did drink 1 tonic a day, no? Na-produce yung 70 million stem cells sa ating katawan. Kaya po, faster talaga ang recovery. And I cannot promise, we're not promising na 100% marireverse yung sakit at kondisyon. Kasi minsan, kahit anong ipilit natin, kung lahat po kasi tayo may expiry date, ano po, pero Diyos lang ang nakakaalam. Kaya minsan, kapag chronic ang pasyente, medyo I don't want to force the product. Baka mamaya po kasi isisi sa ating produkto. Yung pagkainom, sakto yun na yung expiry date nung tao. No, nakukunin na talaga ni Lord na hindi kayang pigilan ng kahit sino at masisi ang product. Okay? Kaya we have to be careful when we are introducing our product, lalo na po sa mga taong may sakit. Right? So, just a reminder po sa mga advocates nating nakikinig ngayon. Kaya, again, the product will really work with all kinds of cells. No? I hope I answered your question, Ma'am Rose, para po dun sa client ninyo. Ayan. Thank you to Ma'am Salve for listening. And ayan, Ma'am, makakatulong po ba ito sa special um, autism? Yes. 100% yes. It helps actually, we have cases na po ng may mga autism, meron din pong what do you call this? Schizophrenia, no? Or yung mga may ADHD, yung mga hyperactivity disorder, na these are, again, certain conditions, again, pertaining to the brain or chemicals ng brain, na kung saan our cells, once given the right condition, okay, when your body is given the right condition, it has the capacity to really heal itself. For cases na autism, all right, due to probably during pregnancy, nakakain ng mga processed foods, no? Kaya nagkakos ng mga affectation sa pregnancy po during the pregnancy of the mother or dun sa fetus, nare-resolve pa rin po ito. Kasi kumakalma yung hyperactivityness nila, yung focus, nako-correct, and mas yung attention span ng bata ay nag improve. Yan. So, paano pag-inom? Pagbata po, 1 bottle of Oxygolden a day. And then you can put 5 ml of tonic na nakahalo na dito sa kanyang iinumin na Oxygolden. Kung ayaw niya yung bote, kasi minsan may mga bata na fixated sila sa kung ano yung nakasanayan. Pag sanay lang sila sa mga tumbler drinking bottles nila, doon yun na lang po isalin, basta't wag metal or ceramic. Plastic lang or glass ang pupwede. Okay? And then yun, everyday lang, just consistently introduce in a month or 3 months or more, you will really see that there will be improvement sa attention span, lesser na yung mga tantrums or yung mga hyperactivity. Okay? Ayan, I'm asking again for a copy. Yes po, we will provide you the copy for this in-depth training, sir. Okay? And then, just give it a try. Tama, Sir Ronnie. Ang Oxy Golden Tonic per day. Wow! Kuya Ronnie kasi po ang naka-experience mismo ng fast recovery ng ating products talaga. He's actually one very good example of a recovery from brain trauma. And we have shared kanina, pagkain ng brain cells ay oxygen. Kaya po, malaking malaking tulong talaga ang Oxygolden natin sa mga brain injuries. Okay? Yes, kung wala pong pictures, kahit age, taga saan din po, short history ng sakit, period of taking the products, kung meron lang po. Ayan. Thank you po. Sige po. We need to ask permission kasi on the case of autism, the parent po kasi wants to keep it private for their child. Kaya po, we're not showing pictures. That's the reason why we could not show some photos. Likewise with schizophrenia. Ano po, kaya kapag ayaw pong pumayag ng ating mga clients na gawing testimony or mas pakita yung pictures nila, we just tell the stories. Pero kasi for confidential purposes. Ayun. But if meron po tayong papayag na advocate or client, then yes, rest assured we'll really post that. Ano po? Question, pwede po bang ihalo ang tonic? Yes, pwede po. Sa mga hindi po nakakabili naman ng Oxy Golden Water, you have your regular drinking water, no? Pwede naman po talagang patakan ng tonic yan. Ngayon, para makaproduce kayo ng katumbas ng 900 parts per million na Oxy Golden Water, sa 500 ml ninyong regular drinking water, yung 3 higop ng medicine dropper ng tonic natin, 3 higop nun, kay 1 heaping, how will I to say it in Tagalog? Tagalog or English? 3 higop ng dropper kasi pagka um, hinigop po ng dropper yung tonic, hindi naman po puno yung pinaka, ano niya, tube. Okay? Parang ano lang siya, 1/2. So, 3 heaping uh, drops from the dropper. Yun. Tatlong higop. Basta tatlong higop po ha. Huwag niyong piliting punuin talaga yung tube mismo ng dropper. Hindi ho talaga siya mapupuno. Ang isang higop po kasi ng dropper ay 0.5 ml. So parang 1.5 ml. Okay, ng tonic doon sa inyong 500 ml na water, natutumbasan niya 900 ppm na Oxy Golden Water. Okay? I hope nakuha niyo yon. Alright. So, meron pa po ba akong na-skip na question? Aha. Okay. So, ma'am, by the way, Ma'am Rosa, normalizing a stroke patient not only entails dependence on our product. Kailangan rin po ng tamang therapy, exercise, tamang lifestyle, no? Mindful diet, no? Iwasan pa rin yung mga bawal na foods, huwag abusuhin, at higit sa lahat, yung tamang pahinga. Okay? So, ayan. Wow, si Sir Nance, nandito. Strong
Ah,
man is in the house. Hello, Sir Nance. Thank you for plugging in. Sabi nga ni Sir Nance, I'm lucky indeed to have this product available, especially to people with rare diseases like motor neuron disease. True enough, nako, Sir
ah,
Nance. We're really
ah,
praying, continuously praying for your continued strength, recovery. Okay, Sir Nance po ay naging victim ng motor neuron disease, a degenerative disease, na kung saan una pong naapektuhan yung kanyang dila. Kaya po nagka-muscle spasm and it's causing him difficulty to speak. That's the reason why he's continuously taking Oxy Golden product. Hello, hello po sa mga taga Olonga po, Subic, Zambales. Ayan. Yan po yung isa sa mga leaders nating masisipag, si Strongman
ah,
Sir Nance Ancheta. Thank you for plugging in, sir.
ah, ah,
Yes, we appreciate you for being here po and learning with us. Ano po?
ah,
Ayan.
ah, ah,
Yes. We honor you for being here too, sir. Ayan. Welcome to the Jazzle family. Thank you for listening on our in-depth training. Parang buong pamilya ang nag-member dito ah. Grabe, talagang malulupit naman. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat for joining us. And I'll check again if there are other questions. Okay, asking again for a copy. All right. Um, Alright, meron na po akong email address ni Sir Jerome. Makakatulong din po ba yan sa stroke? Pero umurong na ang dila at nabubulol. Yes po. Okay, when we say makakatulong na i-increase yung oxygen supply sa lahat ng cells niya, i-energize yung mitochondria niya para bumalik yung kakayanan ng cells na pagalingin ng sarili niya. But again, we have different body chemistry. It will improve little by little. Hindi po instant, hindi rin mabilisan. Ano po, kaya nga oral oxygen therapy, take it at least 3 to 6 months to see the desired results. Now, how soon? Gaano kabilis? Depende rin po siguro sa dami ng iinumin. Kung mas maraming iniinom, talagang mas faster ang recovery. Ano po, sir?
ah, ah, ah,
Ayan. So, mas maraming iinumin, mas marami po, ay mas mabilis ang improvement. Kung kaya naman ang isang bote ng tonic kada araw, go ahead. Kasi talagang recovery will be at a faster pace. Okay? Pero yes, makakatulong. Ang produkto po nating Oxygolden ay para sa mga may sakit, walang sakit, at ayaw magkasakit. So, kung may kakilala kayong ganon, then para sa kanila yon. Okay? Ayan. I hope I was able to answer the question too. At saka alam nyo po, hindi natin malalaman hanggat di pa rin nasusubukan. Kahit gaano pa karami ang mga sinabi kong maganda dito. Ano po? At in-explain sa inyo not unless kayo mismo naka-experience. Tulad ni Sir Jerome, grabe naman yung model natin. Talagang painom-inom lang ng Oxygolden habang nakikinig. Kaya ang bilis niyang ma-absorb lahat ng sinasabi ko. Feeling ko, memorize niya na from beginning to end. Kaya nang mag-present ng in-depth training ito. Grabe, sir, ah. Congrats po sa inyong lahat, ah. Ayan, sa TB. Ilan ang iinumin pag may tuberculosis? Alam niyo po, the younger age, the faster, lalo na po kapag nagtotonic. Ang tonic, just in case may nagne-nebulize, okay, nina-nebulize pa, pwedeng gamitin yung tonic 10 ml sa nebulizer para i-inhale. Pero kapag naman um, bata, infant, paiinumin, wala po kasing overdose ito. Ito yung pwedeng gamiting itimpla, timplahan ng gatas para dedein ng baby. Pero kung medyo kung bata na yan or young adult, elderly, so pwedeng at least 1 to 2 bottles a day of Oxy Golden Water. Pero please take tonic. Pwede namang uh, siguro 10 to 20 ml per day. Ano po? Kasi tuberculosis yan. Gusto nating gumaling, makarecover ng mabilis. Right? Ang cells niya. So at least 10 to 20 ml of tonic per day and 1 to 2 bottles of Oxy Golden. Sa mga bata, edad 7 years old below, yung sinabi kong autism, no, na case, 5 ml of tonic per day at saka isang bote ng Oxy Golden Water. Okay, nakakatulong. Alam nyo, siguro gagawa po ako ng chart para sa inyong lahat. Siguro a chart that will indicate the proper dosage and anong corresponding conditions. Okay po ba yon? Para pag meron po kayong kliyente, hanapin nyo na lang sa chart. Tapos yun na lang ang instruct ninyo. No? At kahit sino, kahit di po kayo nurse, kayang-kaya nyo pong mag-prescribe ng Oxy Golden sa lahat ng inyong mga kliyente, okay? Ayan, yan po yung assignment ko sa inyo para sa susunod. Abangan nyo, i-share natin sa lahat ng mga advocates ito. Okay? Ayan, thank you Ma'am Margie. And akong magre-request na. Okay, Ma'am, pwedeng unti-untiin. Yes. Okay lang naman. Actually, meron nga po kaming testimony na may asthma, no? Pero asthmatic silang pamilya, pero alam nyo, 4 silang naghahati-hati nito. 1/4 kada member ng family. And again, meron pa ring magandang experience. Nakakatulong pa rin. Pero syempre, huwag niyong asahan na mabilis at instant. Okay? So, but if yes, the more you drink, the faster your recovery. Okay? So, yes, it can surely help. And okay lang po ba if I will ask a favor? Ano po? Kung wala na kayong mga katanungan. Wow, from Los Angeles, Abangon, Rizal, Sir Urchin. Welcome po sa inyong lahat. Now, I would like to request all of you to please turn on your
Ay, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang. 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 Ba't ka nandyan sa gilid? Nakatulala tahimik. Bigo na naman sa pag-ibig. Galing na ako dyan. Bakit parang puro kasilip? Takot ka na bang umulit? Ang mangarap ba'y di nasulit? Lumang storya na yan. Kung ayaw mong magkamali, paano matututo? Di mo malalaman kung di ka susubok. Pag nadapa, pwede ka naman bumangon. Tandaan na ngayon magiging kahapon. Kaya pag nagkamali, gawin mo siyang aral para malaktawan ang susunod na harang. Balang araw mararating mo rin, maaabot mo rin, diretso ang tingin. Bumulan man o umaraw, bahagang marandalo yung humahataw. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang gahe, basta umaabante. Ano man pasikot-sikot, minsan titigil, minsan ikot ng ikot. Basta tuloy lang ang gahe, hanggang ika'y umaabante, mararating mo rin. Ay, 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 tuloy-tuloy lang. 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 Isa ang ating sandigan, sigurado tayo dyan. Pupustahan mo pare, kaya mo pa. Kanino ka ba nagpapaniwala? Kaya ka napapariwara. Kaibigan, di mo kailangan ng himala. Sugod lang na sugod, malapit na yung dulo. Kung ika'y natuto sa mga tinunang nakaraan, yan ang daan, alam mo na yan. Kaya ako'y sabayan, umulan man o